Selecting the right primer has never been easier with Dulux. By using the best quality Dulux products, you can easily create the perfect canvas for your next interior or exterior painting job. Today, we'll show you how to select the right primer for the job and help you prep for the best results. Dulux has a primer to tackle every project, whether you are covering stains and imperfections, painting over surfaces that are difficult to adhere to, painting or repainting metal, or you want a general purpose sealer and undercoat for the job. If you are simply painting new plasterboard that's never been primed or covering a dark colour, you'll need to use an undercoat. This preparation will provide better coverage and hiding power than just applying extra top coats. If your surface is powdery, like bare set plaster, you may need a sealer binder. The Dulux Precision Sealer Binder is a pigmented oil-based prep coat which seals porous surfaces and helps bind unpainted powdery surfaces, delivering a sound foundation on which to apply your top coats. Dulux One-Step Acrylic Primer Sealer Undercoat is a low-odour premium acrylic sealer. This interior undercoat features unique ultra-smooth technology which helps to smooth over surface imperfections, as its high build helps hide minor cracks and defects. The Dulux One-Step Prep range is your first step towards a superior, long-lasting paint finish. These multi-surface preparation products create the perfect canvas for your painting job. It's the only multi-purpose preparation paint with mold-resistant mold shield technology. Available in either water or oil-based, you're certain to find the suitable undercoat for most home projects. Dulux One-Step Prep water-based primer, sealer and undercoat is suitable for all general paint surfaces around your home. Water-based means it's easy to clean up with water and it's fast drying, so can be used over oil-based stains. The oil-based primer sealer is perfect for interior and exterior timber and boasts fast drying, only 30 minutes to touch dry and 1 hour recoat. It has excellent stain and tannin blocking properties. Dulux One-Step Prep ensures your interior or exterior paint shines now and into the future. Are you repainting an existing surface? Here is how to get started. First, you need to conduct an adhesion test on all previously painted surfaces. To do this, ensure surface is sound by cutting a small X through the existing paint with a sharp blade. Press sticky tape firmly across the cut and then rip off the tape. If the paint comes off, it is unsound and should be removed. For interior timber, lightly sand and dust off. If you are unsure, we recommend that you contact your local qualified tradesperson. Ensure your surface is clean and stains are removed as much as possible with Selly's Original Sugar Soap using a scourer for tough stains. Now, you're ready to prime your surface. Traditionally tough to paint surfaces like tiles, glass and laminate, UPVC and glossy enamels require a strong adhesive primer. The Dulux Precision Maximum Strength Adhesion Primer is specially formulated to bond to a variety of these smooth and glossy surfaces and creates a strong surface for a variety of top coats. Follow our preparation tips from before, taking extra care to remove any dust, grease, or flaky surfaces. Dulux Precision Maximum Adhesion is formulated to bond without sanding. Do you have stains, mold, or odour? The Dulux Precision range has been developed to offer a precise preparation solution to your surface problems. Dulux Precision Stain and Mold Blocker is a water-based primer that's fast drying and a powerful stain blocker for a wide range of oil-based stains like grease or crayon. It's specifically formulated to prevent mold and mildew growth. Any water stains, smoke or graffiti can be targeted with the oil-based Precision High Opacity Stain Blocker. Also works great as an adhesion product for interior and exterior surfaces, helping create a strong bond between the paint and surfaces. For a water-based superior stain-blocking performance, Dulux Precision Advanced Stain and Odour Blocker delivers advanced stain blocking for a wide range of severe water and oil-based stains, including by graffiti and major water or fire damage. It is conveniently low odour, fast drying, and washes up in water. Dulux Precision Stain, Smoke and Odor Blocker is your professional choice for a fast-drying, stain blocking. It can block a wide range of stubborn water and oil-based stains and can protect against tannin bleed in timber, as well as sealing odors. Sealing stain problems can be targeted with the Precision Stain Blocker, an oil-based fast-drying stain blocker perfect for a range of water and oil-based stains. Coming in an aerosol can, the vertical spray nozzle is convenient for applying to your ceiling. Are you completing an exterior job on a metal substrate? Dulux Metal Shield comes in a range of easy-to-apply products for the perfect glossy or polished finish that can withstand weathering and erosion. The Dulux Metal Shield All-Surface Primer is a high-performance metal protection suitable for priming a wide variety of metal substrates, including mild steel, aluminium, galvanized steel, and fiberglass. This is the ideal primer for Metal Shield top coats. Dulux Metal Shield Etch Primer provides superior adhesion and protection to a wide range of metal surfaces. It's suitable for brush, spray, and roller application and is super fast drying. You can apply your top coat after 15 minutes. Dulux Metal Shield Cold Galv Primer is a superior anti-corrosive coating for protection against rust and corrosion. The zinc-rich formula forms a highly effective protective barrier against corrosion and moisture. It's ideal for steel, wrought iron, welds, and damaged galvanized. Before applying your primer, first wash down the surface with a mild detergent using a cloth to remove any grease, oils, and dirt. Rinse with clean water and allow to dry. If there is any damage or rust, remove this by scraping, sanding, or wire brushing. Ensure the surface has also passed the adhesion test and any flaking paint is removed. For how to complete the adhesion test, contact our help and advice team. From blocking stains to protecting metal, Dulux has a superior priming product specifically formulated for your next paint job. Visit dulux.com.au to see the entire range of preparation products and for more preparation tips and techniques or expert colour advice. Worth doing, worth Dulux.